Hi, welcome to Spice Gal Cooking Show. My name is Alexandra Caesar, and I'm your host. Welcome to our lovely kitchen where we keep it cozy, we keep it real, and we keep it delicious. Today, we have a special guest for you. So grab your chair, get comfortable, and get ready for the spicy.
Everybody, my name is Makeyla Young. I'm from Snellville, Georgia. I've known Alex for several years now, and I'm a licensed esthetician, and I'm currently in school now to be an elementary school educator.
ECE, whoop whoop.
Yeah.
There you go, my kind of gal.
Yes. Today I'm gonna be making spaghetti. So we have ground beef and we have noodles. And I'm gonna just season the food, and I'm excited to have you guys with me.
You ready?
I'm
We're gonna
ready.
grab our apron and we're gonna head to the stove.
All right.
Let's go. So Makeyla, and I see 2 ingredients.
Yes, ma'am.
Well, 3, because I do see the red sauce.
Yes.
Right?
Today I'm doing spaghetti. It's pretty simple and easy because, like I said, I do work and I'm in school, so I try to keep simple dishes that doesn't take long. So it should take about maybe 30, 40 minutes. That's a long time.
Okay. All right. So I see that we have ground beef, right?
Yes.
Ground beef, and then we have spaghetti.
Yes.
Is it because you were telling me that you wanted a specific spaghetti? Does it have to be thin spaghetti, regular spaghetti, or it doesn't matter?
You can really use any type of spaghetti, but I prefer this thin piece of spaghetti.
The thin spaghetti. Yeah. Okay. Then we have oil, and we use olive oil today.
Yes.
And then you specifically asked for these spices, the Italian seasoning.
Yes.
Right?
It's a really popular season. I feel like I use it in a lot of different dishes I use.
All right. So I also wanted to showcase my spaghetti, which is palm, hearts of palm, linguine, in case you are gluten intolerant, which I am. I cannot eat a lot of dough, and I wanted to show alternatives.
Yes.
If you are making Makeyla's spaghetti meat sauce college dish, you could make it with this pasta instead. And then don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. Remember, my show is dope. Well, you know what? There you go.
There you go.
Most of my guests usually, they use so much oil. I'm surprised just by looking at it, I don't have a heart attack.
Yeah, they put a lot in there.
A lot. So we're gonna put it on high.
Yeah, sometimes I add more just to get the noodles boiling.
Okay. All right. There you go, my friend.
A spoon. You have like a big spoon?
Yes, we do. You have a big spoon. There you go. Yes, you go ahead and do that. Makeyla's way of cooking her ground beef is she gets it from the bag. She kind of like stir fry it with no oil. And once it gets brown, then she will add some oil and the spices that she picked, right?
Yep.
Okay. Does that make a difference?
Oh, I mean, this is just my preference. I don't know if it really makes a difference.
That's the way she eats and she cooks. It's a preference.
So I am going to start to add in my seasonings now.
I like the way she collaborates with me.
I love the teamwork.
There you go. Oh my gosh. This is why we've been friends for 6 years. Unlike somebody I know that's supposed to be here, Stacy. Okay, we ready? So I'm gonna
almost ready. Let me open this up. I thought these was open up already.
So we added the white pepper, and she added Italian seasoning.
So you see it's starting to turn brown.
It's starting to turn brown. So the water is boiling. Should I add the pasta?
Let it boil a little bit more, and then we can start adding that in there.
She's getting bossy. This is the part where, you know, her personality kicks in, and then that teamwork thing is out the window. I know it was fake.
No, you know, it's just like just started.
It looks ready to me.
Just let me switch sides.
Get out the way. Okay, so do you like your pasta? Do you break it or?
I do break it.
You break it?
Yeah, it's a lot of pasta, but I mean, well, let's go ahead and break it and put it in there. You can break it in half.
Oh,
be careful.
You know what? That part right there. Nobody told me it was gonna be this hard. Okay, there you go. So now we have the pasta boiling, and Makeyla is almost.
And we can start to put some
The what now? Oh, the vegetables.
Yeah, while this is still cooking.
All right, there you go. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Get this all right. And where's the pot where you add the oil?
What are we?
We're not doing that?
What do we add on oil for?
The meat.
You want to put oil in here? We could put some in here.
Okay, so are we adding oil or not?
We can add some oil in there.
Okay, because how is it it's going to be very dry, Makeyla.
I'll be dry without the oil.
Yeah. I mean, I reckon it will.
Thank you for that.
Right.
Now it's starting to cook.
Right. Now it's starting to, because you didn't have oil.
Listen, Alex.
All right. So after everything, do you add it together or?
Yeah, so I'll put the sauce in here when this is finished. I still see a little red pieces.
Okay.
And then we'll put the sauce and then add the noodles.
Okay. It looks very colorful.
Yeah, so tomatoes really.
Right. Kind of like brought it to life, huh?
Yeah.
All right. So are we going to?
The noodles might, yeah.
The noodles are ready.
They're ready?
They're ready.
So we can add the sauce.
We could just, so we're going to strain it?
Yep. And then add the sauce in
Okay.
Oh, my goodness. Already?
Almost.
You want to help it?
Yeah, we did it. We did it. You saved the day. All right. And then we're going to add the sauce. And I'm going to let you stir it because it is your dish. I don't want to take over.
Okay.
So just to recap, we cooked the meat separately and the pasta is ready. Now she added the red sauce and then she's just mixing it in.
Yes.
Mixing it in. This dish is not complicated. To me, it's very simple. It really has 3 ingredients. Let's see how it comes out.
Yes.
Okay. We will not add like cheese, nothing like that.
I'm not really a big cheese person, but if somebody likes cheese, you definitely can add cheese into your spaghetti, but I'm not a big cheese fan.
Yeah. I think we can add some sliced garlic bread to it.
Yes.
And we can even add maybe some salad.
Yes.
And this can feed a family of 6. And it's a healthy meal. It's quick, it's simple, but we shall find out how it tastes. That's my only concern, right? So when we come back, we're gonna be sitting right here and we're going to do the take test, okay?
All right.
So we'll be right back. Remember, like, subscribe, and share. We're done cooking the 3-ingredient pasta that Makeyla showcased today. It was really quick, it's convenient, and it can feed like a college student like you, or if you're a family of 4, 5, 6, it can feed you as well. And I added the side salad, and I had the French bread, which she did not bring, and also olive oil. You could dip olive oil. So we're going to taste it. I was trying to make the pasta look cute. She's asking me to keep the comments to a low level, and
yeah, she gotta keep it cute.
Even if I don't like the food. We're about to find out. This is surreal. Have you seen that on TikTok? The way they move the pasta like this? No,
I ain't seen that.
You haven't seen that? So I'm gonna try. So it's just like to make it more presentable, and I guess I'm not doing a good job. It's looking worse. Okay, so we're just gonna serve the food. We're gonna serve the food, okay? You know what it reminds me of?
What do it remind you of?
You know cafeteria food?
I say keep it cute.
No, I mean, it's not a bad thing. I'm just saying. It smells like cafeteria food from middle school. Huh?
That doesn't smell good.
No, it smells all right. And I'm going to give you, a French bread.
Yeah.
A French bread. And a little bit of salad right here. Do you use dressing or no?
Yeah, I do like ranch dressing. Yeah, right.
But did you bring ranch?
No. I thought you would supply the ranch for yourself.
We're gonna move on. We're gonna move on. This salad is gonna be eaten raw. Just like this.
Just decoration.
No, it's gonna go in your stomach.
Okay.
That's not decoration. No,
Gotcha.
it's gonna, no, okay. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and, you guys can see the plate. It's actually a beautiful plate. It reminds me of something I probably will eat at Olive Garden. Or cafeteria food. The cafeteria food. Okay, but it's still healthy though. So I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic on my bread. Olive oil on my bread. Make it look appetizing.
Yes.
So my viewers and subscribers, food lovers, this is a new dish for you. Remember when I said we're going to make memories, and the main ingredient of every dish we cook, what was it?
Is love.
Oh my gosh, she's such a good student. Kiss your brain, kiss your brain. It's love, because that's all we need, correct?
Correct.
So it's gonna taste good for sure. 1, 2, 3.
I think it's pretty good. I personally like a little bit more sauce, but I know you didn't want too much sauce in there.
I do taste the paprika and the
What? The Italian?
the Italian seasoning. I do taste the Italian seasoning. But that's it.
Yeah. No, I really should have brought the rest of my seasoning.
Which is what?
What else I like to put in there?
Huh?
I do onion powder.
Onion powder?
Do,
Yeah.
What else? Yeah.
Let me try again. Hold on.
Yeah, try it. Maybe need some bread with it.
I mean, it's definitely edible. You can eat it. It's I know it's a fast dish, and like I said, you're not a chef, but you did a good job. It's colorful. I will eat it.
Great.
I will eat it. And then if you add the garlic bread to it, you can pretend you're at Olive Garden or Red Lobster.
And the salad.
That part. Okay. Makeyla, anything else you would like to tell us?
I was just gonna say thank you for having me. I really enjoyed this with you, and I had a good time.
But you forgot to say one thing. You do lashes. Anybody wanna reach out to you?
Yes, I am a travel lash tech. Feel free to follow my lash page, Lashed and Lovely. And yes,
she is the bomb.
Yes, we just had an appointment right before this because I don't know who ate her lashes in her sleep.
Do you hear that? She just ate my lashes in my sleep. You know what?
Spices was on there.
All right. You know what? It's all good. It's all good. Makeyla, thank you so much for coming.
Spice Girl show is dope.
That part. I'll see you later. Like, subscribe, and share, because my show is dope, y'all.
And